Welcome to my channel. It's Miss Tay Rose. Today I'm here with you with a second sunset eye, except this time it's no longer a halo, or it's not a halo. It is a cut crease. If you'd like to see the products I use along with how I achieve this look, make sure you keep watching. First things first, what I'm going to do is I'm going to go into the Shany Cosmetics palette, and I'm going to go in with this yellow shade. Add that up here as my first transition color. Now I'm going to go into this orange shade, and with this orange shade I'm going to go underneath that yellow. Alright, so with my orange shade I'm going to go more so on the crease, or in the crease, than I did with my yellow. Now I'm going to take that orange shade and I'm going to bring it out to my outer third. Now, so that my orange isn't so harsh, I'm going to blend out the orange and yellow shades using my same flat eyeshadow brush from earlier. Third color that I will be using for this eye look is this dark brown, and this is going to be my definite crease color, and I'm going to bring it directly into my crease and a little underneath that orange that I used earlier, and as part of my outer third color as well. Going back with this brush I used earlier for my orange shade, I'm going to blend out that brown and orange together. I'm sorry, I'm a bit hyped because my favorite part is here, and that is to cut the crease. I'm going to use two products. The first product is this Clinique Line Smoother Concealer in 9 or Honey, and then I'm going to use this small eyeshadow brush as I will not set this concealer with any setting powder. I'm going to leave it tacky like this, so that way I can use this purple shade, which is the first time I'm using this purple. So far so pretty. Using this, and I'm going to apply that onto where I put my concealer. So now I'm going to blend out my cut crease boundary by using that same brown shade that I used earlier and blend it out with the same pencil brush that I used. I'm also going to use the same pencil brush and the same brown shade, and I'm going to deepen the color of that cut crease boundary and that orange right there. So you can wear it like this. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go back into the same Shany palette. I'm going to use this red, and I'm going to mix it in with that brown, kind of buff it out, so that way it can be smooth, less harsh, and seamless. So I have one more thing to do, and that is to complete my eyebrow highlight or my brow light. I'm going to take this light nude shade along with this small angle eyeshadow brush. I'm officially done with my lids. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this bake off, and And for this video, I'm going to use my EcoTools blender. And I'm going to soak the setting powder off, so that way, yeah, I'm gonna soak the setting powder off. So that's one way of swiping away that bake and clean up this line, of course. Now for my bottom lash line, I'm gonna first go in with this dark brown shade. I'm gonna use the same eye pencil brush. So you could wear your bottom lash line like this, or you go in with a red shade. For me, I'm gonna go in with the same red shade I used earlier, and I'm going to mix that in with the brown so it's less harsh. So I'm officially set with the eyes. Now the final thing I have to do is apply my lashes, and the lashes I'll be wearing there very every day, but it goes perfect so that way this look can shine, or this eye look can shine on its own. This is how the lash looks. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to apply my lashes on this eye, and I'm going to do the rest of my face off camera. Alright, I'm finished with the rest of my face. And again, you don't have to use all the products that I've used. For my lips, I'm going to use this Bite Beauty lip pencil in 020. So you could wear your lips like this, or if you want something over that lip pencil, you can, or what I'm going to do is I'm going to add this MAC Cream Sheen lipstick in Japanese Maple. So this eye look and this lippy combined together, Tay Rose approved. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also make sure to comment down below any other makeup looks or makeup requests that you have in mind. If you are a new viewer, please click on that subscribe button. And once you click on that subscribe button, make sure to click on that bell so you're notified as to when my videos are out. And that's all I have for today. I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!